Hey, how's everybody doing? Here we go. The last time I did a video, it was showing you about the $168, $165, which I've done to show folks that it's very simple to take, a little bit of cash and turn it into over $1,000 and even more, right? So as I'm looking at this chart, I decided to do a video because I wanted to show you guys how did I grow that account? Like, what was one of the methods I used to grow that account? And people, when people think about the stock market, they get nervous, they get afraid, they go, "Oh, it's losing money. We gonna go broke." No, if you know what you're doing, you're not gonna go broke, right? So let me show you one of the strategies that I personally use to grow an account, and it's called the ORB, right? The ORB strategy, open range breakout. That's what it's called. And it's designed, see, I wanted to do it before this reached that level, but that's okay. This strategy is really designed for, you know, all traded new traders, veteran traders. It is a very safe method to trade. It has maybe above a 90% success ratio if you make sure you get your levels right. And I'm going to show you how to use it. It's designed to take an open candlestick at a range from a breakout. That's how it got the name open range breakout. Right? So in this case, how would I use it? I have my algorithm going, which let us know when is the best times to get in and out of stocks, or whether the bulls or the bears are in control. So this is 9:30 in the morning. I've taken I'm taking my second trade today. The first trade was right here at this first candlestick. We got the sell signal. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, well, how do you know when to get out? Well, this green line, our software tells you to get out here, right? So this is the where you will want to get out. But let's say you didn't have, and you know that the market is going down. The way it works is you want to take the range of the very first bullish candlestick. This strategy only works when the candlesticks are engulfing. I want to say bullish, are engulfing candlesticks, whether it's bulls or bearish. It got to be engulfing because it works by the range of the first breakout candlestick. Keep that in mind, the first breakout candlestick. And when I took this trade, I didn't even cover the whole candlestick. I covered maybe about 90% of it. So it was kind of like this. So this is the range of the first candlestick, and we know that it's going on a downtrend, right? We know that it's going to go down. So what you do is you take the same, clone it, the same price range, you put it above and you put it below. And this represents your take profit. This represents your targets. So if you get in on this candlestick and it's going down, your take profit would be right here at 452.11. If it's going to the upside, your profit will be right there. I'm actually about to close out a trade. I'm I'm watching it. So yeah, you're gonna see me pause quite a few times. So once it reaches this target right here for 54.16, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Hold on. 1 second. Okay, good. I'm out. I'll tell you what I just did in a moment. Um, so so where did I leave off? Yeah, so the open range breakout. So if it's going to the upside, you enter in. If this is a bullish candlestick, you enter in on a candlestick, and your take profit would be, an equal range above, which would be 454.16 is bullish. So your profit, if it's bearish, your profit will be pretty much 452.11. And the take profit zones are usually right before major levels of support and major levels of resistance. Like, for example, if this was going to the upside, which is not, your take profit really would be the high. Now, if you're looking at a chart without our software, it kind of just looks like this. Everything doesn't look as clear. You don't think to yourself like this is the high during, overnight, before the market open, pre-market. But this level right here is very important. Uh, with our software, it maps it automatically, so you can never forget. Right here in the low, you see the L for the low, the H for the high. We map everything so everyone can see it clearly who is a part of our group. Right? So that's how you would do it. Now, let's do another example, right? So let's talk about the trade that I just took, like literally, like while I had to pause myself while shooting this video just to close it out. So right here, we have the stock is downtrending. Anyone who knows about trading, is downtrending. It is downtrending right now. It's like downtrending. We you know, have it downtrending right to the demand zone. The green is the demand zone, but let's say you didn't have the demand zone. Just know that this area is a level of support because it bounced down, rejected. It came through, rejected, bounced, rejected, went back up to the trend line, rejected, and it's starting to squeeze right in this little corner right here. When it squeezes, two things either happens. It's either going to pop up or it's going to pop down. In this case, it pops up. This orange candlestick is actually reversal. Normally, charts do not see that. However, for us, it's custom. This is a reversal candle for us. And I'm really waiting for the buy signal. That's what I'm waiting for. I see the reversal happening. I want to know if it's a fake out or not. The buy signal will tell me whether or not it's a fake out. So boom, I get the buy signal. As soon as I get the buy signal, this starts jumping up and down. Once it starts jumping up and down, I want to get the range. I want to get the range of this. So I take it from the wick, right? And at the time, the candlestick was not this high. It was like this where I took it, and that was the range of the candlestick. So I said, you know what? Since I know it's going to the upside, let me clone it. And this is called a measured move. It's a measured right here. And if it was going to the downside, you'll clone it and you'll put it to the downside like this. Where is your take profit to the upside? Your take profit is right here. Where's your take profit to the downside? Your take profit to the downside is right there, right? So when I closed my trade just now, I closed it right at my take profit. Of course, I didn't have it drawn out, but I have the measured move in my head. And this is one of the strategies I use to make money in the stock market. And it's designed to be used during breakouts. Keyword during breakouts, open range breakout. That's what they call it. So once it broke out of this downtrend, that's when I start thinking to myself, let me use the orb. And I have several strategies. This is just one of them. Several strategies. So this is where I took profit, where right up here where this wick was. And I just do it over and over and over and over again. Like I teach all of my members. I mean, we have, I believe, maybe 850 something members, and they all use it. Like they all use it. It is like the safest strategy to use. You always cut your trade right before the reversal, which is why everyone loves it. Like you can Google about it, you can YouTube about it. I'm pretty sure there's 100,000 videos on this thing. But if you notice, all of these levels are around major support, major resistance. Like right here, this is a major resistance level where the stock cannot break through. Look down here, this was a level of support where the stock could not break through. It broke through, it came down here. Once again, major demand zone, major level of support where the stock can't break through. The support became its new resistance. The floor became the ceiling, can't break through. And even though I've taken profits, as you can see, the stock is still going up. This is real time. This is happening like right now. And the stock has blown right through, but I've already closed my trade. I've captured this whole space right here, maybe about $1.75 move, which in options you just multiply that by 100 and etc. for all the option traders out there. So yeah, so I'm going to close out this video. I didn't want it to be too long, but yeah, this is just one of the strategies I use is open range breakout. If you want to learn more, look, contact me. Join our Discord. Like we're teaching several folks how to develop a source of income right from the stock market. It's not that difficult. You get access to our software. We teach you how to use it. You know exactly what direction the market is moving. No guessing games, no emotions, great price. I mean, you just can't beat it. Can't beat it. Well, I hope everybody had a great week. I am going into the weekend looking green, so I'm excited about that. And I'll probably release maybe another video sometime in the future. Who knows? I didn't even know I was going to release this one. Enjoy your day. Thank you for watching.